In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook, Twitter, and other social media links on Shopify. We'll start in your Shopify admin. From the main dashboard, head to Online Store. This takes you to your Themes area, where you control how your storefront looks and what appears in each section. Open your current theme by selecting Edit Theme. Depending on your theme, this may appear as Customize, but the process is the same. Inside the theme editor, navigate to your footer. The footer is the most common place to display social icons because it's visible across your entire site without distracting from your products. Click the footer section to open its settings. Before switching anything on, look to the left-hand sidebar and find the Utilities or Theme Settings area, then select Manage Social Accounts. This is where Shopify stores the actual links for your profiles. Next, scroll to the Social Media section. Here, paste the full URL for each platform you want to show. Facebook, Twitter or X, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, and so on. Make sure you use complete URLs, starting with HTTPS, and that they point to your business pages, not personal profiles. A quick tip: if you're unsure whether a link is correct, open it in a new tab to confirm it loads your page. Once your links are added, click Save. Saving at this stage ensures your theme now knows which profiles to reference when it displays icons. After saving, click Exit to return to your themes list. This step simply closes the editor so you can reopen it with your updated settings applied. Now go back into the theme by clicking Edit Theme again. Return to the footer and open that section once more. In the left-hand sidebar, locate the setting for social media icons in the Utilities area. This is usually a toggle labeled something like Show Social Icons. Turn it on. As soon as you enable it, you should see the icons appear in the preview, typically pulling the correct logos automatically based on the links you entered. If an icon doesn't appear, double check that you added a valid URL for that platform in the previous step. When everything looks right, click Save. That's it. Your social media links are now active and visible in the footer of your store. If you want to adjust the order, spacing, or style of the icons, look for additional options within your theme's footer settings. The exact controls vary by theme. Finally, visit your storefront in a new tab, refresh the page, and click each icon to make sure it opens the correct profile. You're all set to help customers connect with